Hello everyone, welcome to GV Radio Automation World. Right, this is the continuation of our 30 days programming challenge. Right, this is the day 17. Right, if you haven't watched previous programs, just go and practice them. Right, coming to today program, day 17th, find the sum of the digits in a given number. Find the sum of the digits in a given number. Suppose the input is right 1, 2, 3. Now, right, output should be right 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6, right? Sum of the digits in a given number, how to find without using any predefined functions, right? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe and enable the notification, right? Once whoever joined the live, please start the program, right? Please start the program, and once done, please post in the comment section, right? Then I will also start. Okay, day 17 challenge. Right, we'll create a one reusable method. Okay, we'll create a sum of digits. Okay, sum of digits, and then we'll take the number. Right, we have to write the static before, right, not the after. Private static integer sum of digits of the number. Okay, we'll take the one sum equal to 0, right, while number greater than 0, while number greater than 0 or not equal to 0, we can write. First we have to take, right, 1 2 3 means we can take the from the last digit. First get the last digit, right, integer last digit, right? How to get the last digit? Number percentile 10, then we will get the last digit. Now sum plus equal to last digit, right? This is the shortcut for sum equal to sum plus last digit, right? We can use plus equal to. Then what we have to do? Number, we have to remove the last digit. Already we have added the last digit, just we need to remove it, right? Already we have practiced a lot of, right, multiple programs on this approach, right? Get the from the last digit. What we are doing here, suppose we are passing the 1 2 3, first get the last digit 3, add to the sum and divided by 2, what it will become 1 2. Then again get the last digit 2, add to the existing sum, and again remove that, again get the last sum, right? Whenever we are dividing means it will remove the last digit, right? Then return sum, right? It is a simple one only, right? Please practice. Whoever completed, just post our program in the comment section, right? Whoever completed, please post our program in the comment section, right? 1 2 3. Suppose if I send 140, what will happen? Right, 1 plus 4 5 0, right? Correctly working. If I pass 999, right, it is okay, working fine, right? Here we are getting last digit and add to the sum and remove the last digit and again get the last digit sum. That's it. We are getting every time last digit until it becomes a 0. Okay, whoever completed, just post in the comment section, right? Thanks for who are participated in this challenge, Right, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Right, please enable notification for more interesting videos. Thanks for participation.